Welcome back. This is my July update and new roll-ins for month of August. In July, I was working on these three shades and those two singles from Charlotte Tilbury. This first shade from this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Quad was new roll-in, and in month of July I've managed to use it 26 times, which was my goal. The second shade was rolled over and I have used it additionally 10 more times, and now I cannot roll it in because it was rolled in this project 2 times. And I was also working on this shade that I have used 24 times. And from Wizard, this first shade was used 22 times, the second shade 20 times, and this one was rolled over and it was used 8 times. And when it comes to singles, I've managed to hit goal on 10 uses on this eyeshadow single that is from Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Rose Gold, and now I cannot roll it in anymore. And I have used the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Eye one in Date Night 6 times, and it needs additionally 4 more uses before I can roll it out. And this is the only remaining eyeshadow single, and I will just roll it in now the second time. As you can see, I have rolled all of those shades in my project 2 times, except from Essence that already had pen in it. So this one needs 14 more uses before I can roll it out. And this shade I will roll out because I have used it 26 times, the same as those two that were rollovers, and I will also roll in replacement for those 3 shades because they have less than 10 uses before I hit my goal on 26 uses. So I will be rolling 4 new shades from my palettes, and as you can see, I have only 4 palettes that I can choose eyeshadows from them. So let's start by rolling dice. I will throw 4 of them at the same time, so I will just move those a little bit off. So number 2 is from my Charlotte Tilbury, so this one. And because I have only 4, that means that number 5 will be from my, this was 5, will be from my Wizard Brown palette, and number 6 will be again from Charlotte Tilbury. So let's throw dice for the Charlotte Tilbury first because I have it right here. So I cannot roll in this shade, so this will be my 1, 2, 3. So let's see what I will have. I will have number 2 and 3, so 1, 2, 3. This one will be rolled in the first time and this one the second time. And now for my Wizard Brown palette. It has 12 shades in it, but I cannot roll in this shade because it has already been rolled in 2 times. So let's see, the first one will be number 7, so 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second one will be number 11, so 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, like so. And now I will show you my color story for the month of August. So this is my color story for the month of August. And this first shade needs 4 more uses. This one 6 more uses. Those two are new roll-ins, so 26 uses each. And then this one is a new roll-in. It needs 26 uses. This one needs for the first round 2 more uses and then 26 uses. And this one I'll be doing it 2 rounds with it, so it will need 14 uses before I roll it out. So see you again at the beginning of September with my roundup for August and new picks for month of September. And until then, bye!